Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. The unit that we're going to be trying on today is from the Stylist, and I have her in the style Tasty, and I have her in the color Balayage / chocolate, and I have the brown HD lace. Of course, if you don't know anything about the Stylist unit, they give you options of lace to choose from. You either do the neutral lace or you do the brown HD lace, but of course we're going to be doing the brown HD lace today, and this unit was sent to me from Samsbeauty. Thank you so much to our good friends at Samsbeauty for always supporting the channel. So yeah, you guys, let's head right into it. So this is what the stock card looks like, and this unit claims to have a 13x6 HD lace frontal pre-plucked hairline, available lace colors, just what I said earlier. It comes in the brown HD lace, the neutral HD lace. It comes with 6-inch deep pattern area, baby hairs, and HD lace as well. Comes in special colors. They have burgundy, they have balayage / caramel, money piece 1B / blonde, 1B / forest green, and 1B / purple. Direct link is going to be in my description box, so you can check out other colors that they have. And yeah, you guys, let's just head right into her. So this is what she's looking like straight out of the pack, and you guys, can we get into the color? Okay, I saw this particular color on Kaya. She's a YouTuber on here as well. You guys should check out that channel. She did a review on this unit, and boy, she looks stunning in that color, and I'm like, sis, I had to get my hands on one too. And this is what we have straight out of the pack. She comes with 2 combs in front, 1 comb at the back, and of course our adjustable straps as well. And this is what the hairline is looking like. And yeah, you guys, we're just going to head right into styling, and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. 2 heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light.
All right, guys, so this is what we have after styling, and how gorgeous is this unit. The colors, I love the way they played with the colors on this one. Is absolutely beautiful. The gold, the brown, everything just looks so well thought out and well put together. And if you guys look closely, the gold also has like brown tips as well, which makes this absolutely stunning. Love it. And she was super easy to style. All I did was just go in with my lace tint, and I used that to tint the front area. I didn't have to do too much with the lace tint because the brown HD lace did help out a whole lot. Other synthetic companies really need to jump on the brown HD lace because the brown HD lace makes the job super easy for my brown skin girls like me. And when I was done with that, I went on to glue just the sides because, to be honest, I wasn't in the mood to glue everything down. And lately, I've not been in the mood to glue down like the whole unit. Once I glue down the sides, I feel like it's secure and it's firm. And I also had to cut out some of the ear tabs because it was a bit too big for me, so I cut out a bit out of the ear tabs. And when I was done with that, I went in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I just used that to furthermore blend the hairline in. And I also applied my powder into the parting area, and I also went in with my hot comb to just comb my baby hairs to the back, and also lay down this area right here a little bit. And that was all that we did for styling. So now let's talk about shedding and tangling. I didn't really experience any form of tangling with her, but she did shed quite a bit. I did experience a couple of snags coming off. I'm not sure why. Maybe because I cut off the ear tabs, or it was just the unit shedding in general, but I did experience quite a bit of shedding with her. And for the texture and density on this one, she's a kinky textured unit. For the density, I'd say a medium to full because it doesn't feel extremely full to me, and it definitely doesn't feel scanty. So I would say a medium to full. And in case you're wondering how long she is, I'm 5'6" for reference, and it gets to this place right here, right above my waist. Now that we're done talking about the specs, talking about how we styled her, I'm just going to go ahead and give this baby the crown that she deserves because, sis, it's a look, baby. You guys, gorgeous. Definitely approved by me. Worth your coins in my opinion. Love the color, love the texture. Everything about this unit works for me. The only problem I have is the shedding, like I said earlier, but I don't think that's anything crazy, and I don't think it should stop you from getting her, to be honest. Direct link is going to be in my description box in case you're interested. You find it there. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy. Let me know, what do you think? Are you guys feeling this unit as much as I'm feeling her? Let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to give a huge thumbs up. I already said that. I don't know why I end up saying that twice. Subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, share with your family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.